In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage and analyze your financial data using reporting tags in Zoho Books. This powerful feature will enhance your ability to track transactions, generate insightful reports, and optimize your business decisions. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open Zoho Books in your Chrome browser. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner of your screen and click on the settings icon. This will open a menu where you can find various options related to your account settings. Under the Taxes and Compliance section, click on Reporting Tags. This is where you will set up the tags that will help you categorize and manage your transactions. Next, it's time to create your first reporting tag. Click on the plus New Tag button. Think about what categories will best serve your reporting purposes, such as location, department, or project. Choose a descriptive tag name that fits your business model. For instance, you might enter location as a tag name and add options like Manila and Cebu. If you're interested in categorizing by department, you might use names like marketing, sales, or support. After you've entered your desired values, remember to save your tag. You can create multiple tags and add multiple values to each one, giving you flexibility in how you organize your data. Now, let's apply these tags to your transactions. As you're creating a transaction, whether it be an invoice, expense, bill, or journal entry, scroll down to the reporting tags section. Here you'll be able to select from the tag values you've created. For example, if you're categorizing an expense under a department, you might choose the department tag and select marketing as the value. Once you've made your selections, be sure to save the transaction. This tagging system will help you sort and filter your data efficiently. After you've tagged your transactions, you're ready to generate reports. Navigate to the report section, which you'll find in the left sidebar. Open a report that suits your needs, like profit and loss, sales by customer, or expense by category. To tailor the report to your specific requirements, use the Customize or Filter option and select the reporting tag filter. Once you've set your parameters, run the report and you'll see the results split according to your tags. This functionality provides a clearer picture of your business operations, segmented by the categories that matter most to you. To wrap up, let's discuss some best practices for using reporting tags. If your business operates in several locations or branches, employ location tags to better understand geographic performance. Use department tags to analyze expenses and revenue by team, and project or event tags to track specific campaigns or initiatives. To ensure your reports remain clean and easy to read, keep your tags simple and consistent across your documents. Thanks for tuning in today. With these tools in your arsenal, you're well equipped to maximize the efficiency and effectiveness of your financial monitoring in Zoho Books. See you in the next video.